In this video, I want to show you how to move picture in Microsoft Word freely, just like this, moving it to any position of your choice. So let's get started. To move picture freely in Microsoft Word, the first thing to do is to bring in the picture you want to use. For instance, just place your cursor at the position you want to put the picture. Then come to Insert and click on Picture. Then navigate to your folder where you have the picture. For instance, let me use this picture. Highlight it and click on Insert. When you do that, the picture will be inserted in Microsoft Word. Then click and drag to adjust the size of the picture. Now, as it is, what you can do, if you come back to Home, you can move it to the left, you can move it to the center, and you can move it to the right. However, if you click on it to drag it, you can see that it's not moving freely, which means you cannot move it. Now, for you to be able to move it freely, select the picture, then right-click and click on Wrap Text. Then select in front of text. Once you click on it, then you'll be able to move your picture just by clicking and dragging freely, just like this. So this is how to move picture freely in Microsoft Word documents. If you like this video, make comments, share it, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.